Okay, so in the world of stop motion, you've got a few options. One is to go the easy route and use an iPhone, such as what I'm using to actually record this video. Or if you want to go super professional, you can go spend a few $100 on some software for your computer and spend even more than that on a new camera. That's going to make your stop motion look pretty good, but that's usually not really worth it. So the best option is to use a GoPro. You get the advantages of the simplicity of a smartphone, plus the great style and effects that you can get with a regular camera with the software. Plus you aren't paying for the software, you're only paying for the GoPro. Now that is definitely the best route, and I will show you how to make a spectacular stop motion with a GoPro. Also, in case you're wondering, for today's video, I'm going to be using the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which as of this video, is the newest GoPro available. Okay, so let's get into it. We want to get our GoPro, and we're going to want to set it down and click the power button, which should be right on the left side. So you're going to click that real quick, and it will beep. Now, stop motion is going to look pretty bad because I'm trying to make it quick for this video, and I've only got one hand free because I'm using the other one to hold the phone. Also, you're going to want to make sure your GoPro is in photo mode instead of video or time-lapse. So we're going to just simply swipe over so it says photo. We're simply going to press this button right here to take our pictures for the stop motion. Okay. Now we are going to move this, which is going to be very hard because I have the phone. Okay.
Eternity later.
So it's probably one of the world's quickest stop motions, I know. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to just take up a ton of time working on a stop motion video. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, so we're going to the GoPro Quick app. This is available for both iOS and Android. Okay, so it's a great app, and this is what you will need for the GoPro for when you're doing a stop motion. So, yeah. Okay, so we're in here. We've got to go over, and it will say GoPro has new footage, and then you hit download, and then it will just take a little bit. Now, I also want to say, if you do not have an account already with GoPro, you will need to set that up, and you will need to link your GoPro. It's very easy, and it takes under a minute to do, so, yeah. Okay, so it's taking a little bit. Okay, so now it's got our footage. So we're going to go here, and we are going to press and hold on the footage we want to get. And then we're going to click the share button, which in my case is on the top right. And then we're going to click share to photos, or save to photos. Now, if you're using the Android version of the GoPro Quick app, it could be a little bit different, but still, it's pretty much the same idea. Now that we have our photos in our Photos app, it's time to move on to the CapCut app, which is by far my favorite video editing app. It's free, and it's just easy to use and awesome, and it's great for stop motion. Make sure you have that installed. It's available for both iOS and Android. Just search up CapCut. Okay, now it took me a little while to find the CapCut app. Yeah, I just went right past it. Okay, so we went and we go right into the app. Now, once again, you'll probably want to create an account for CapCut. So you can save your just different things you like better. So I definitely recommend that. But anyways, you're going to go to photos, and you're going to select your stop motion pictures, which chances are you're going to have a ton more stop motion pictures than what I had. But because of this video, I want to keep it quick. Okay, so we're going to go in and we're going to want to make these shorter so it's not just sitting on the same picture forever. Now, the way we're going to do that is we're going to tap on the spot where the photo is and we're going to drag it in like you can see on the screen. So it will only show the photos for about less than a second at a time. And then it's going to look like that. Okay, so. Like I said, I'm sure your stop motion is going to be a lot longer and better looking than mine was. But like I said, just for the sake of this video, I was going to keep it quick. So now you know how to make a great stop motion with nothing but the GoPro Quick App, and CapCut, which is awesome. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and please subscribe because that would be awesome.